Okay, so this is a brake pad.
Yes, that's the part that is there, and which rubs against the disc to stop the vehicle.
Tell me, at full speed, that must get hot, mustn't it?
It can get up to 700 degrees.
And it must get worn, too.
The principle of braking is friction. And if you have friction, you have wear, of course.
So this pad seems to me to be very worn, doesn't it?
Yes, you can clearly see the difference, too. Look here. You have practically no pad left. When it gets to that stage, it rubs hard against the disc. It's metal against metal. It attacks the brake disc, and that can do a lot of damage.
And I imagine that changing the disc is not the same price, obviously, as changing the pad.
Not at all.
So the best thing to do is change your pads ahead of time. So how can you tell when the pads are worn? Is there a signal or something?
Well, on certain vehicles, you have a warning on the dashboard, and a sign that never fails is that the brake pedal goes down further when you brake.
And then it becomes dangerous, so pay attention. Don't mess with the brakes.
The brakes, like the suspension and the tires, are part of the safety triangle.
So these pads, when do you change them?
That depends on your vehicle and your style of driving. With us, it's a part that we check routinely at each service. We also take the opportunity to check your discs and the brake fluid level.
How about a tip for looking after our brake pads?
When you're going downhill, for example, don't keep your foot stuck on the brake pedal.
So, listen to the man's advice. When you're going downhill, don't keep your foot stuck on the brake pedal.